Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are excited to bring you a list of 6 home accessories you must have. Mini Foldable Washing Machine. Introducing the Mini Foldable Washing Machine, the perfect solution for those who want clean clothes without the hassle of a traditional washing machine. This portable washing machine features ultrasonic cleaning and Blu-ray sterilization technology, ensuring your clothes are thoroughly cleaned and free of bacteria. With a 4.5L capacity, it's perfect for washing underwear and small items, and the spin dryer allows for quick and efficient drying. The machine is foldable and lightweight, making it easy to store and take on the go. Say goodbye to laundry day stress with the Mini Foldable Washing Machine. Laundry baskets. Looking for a practical and stylish way to keep your laundry organized? Look no further than Brillianto's large laundry basket. With a generous 78L capacity, this linen hamper can hold all your dirty clothes and linens, while the collapsible design makes it easy to store when not in use. The beige and gray color scheme is neutral and modern, making it a perfect fit for any decor. With sturdy handles for easy transport, this laundry basket is a must-have for any bedroom, laundry room, or bathroom. Don't let a cluttered laundry pile get you down. Upgrade to Brillianto's large laundry basket today. Vegetable chopper. Introducing the ultimate kitchen assistant, our 4-in-1 vegetable chopper. This versatile tool is perfect for quickly and easily preparing your favorite vegetables. With its sharp blades, you can effortlessly chop, slice, and dice vegetables like onions, potatoes, and tomatoes in no time. The manual spiralizer function allows you to create beautiful vegetable spirals, and the salad chopper is perfect for creating delicious and healthy salads. Made from high-quality materials, our chopper is durable, easy to clean, and compact, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen. Say goodbye to messy, time-consuming vegetable preparation and hello to effortless cooking with our 4-in-1 vegetable chopper. Silicone Faucet Mat. Introducing the 2PCS Silicone Faucet Mat, the perfect solution to keep your kitchen and bathroom sink area clean and dry. These innovative mats feature a built-in drain lip that catches drips and prevents water buildup, protecting your counters and floors from water damage. Made of high-quality silicone, these mats are durable and easy to clean. They fit most standard faucets and can be easily removed and repositioned as needed. Say goodbye to messy and wet sink areas and hello to a cleaner and more organized space with the 2PCS Silicone Faucet Mat. Artificial fence. Create a beautiful and private outdoor space with our artificial ivy leaf privacy fence screening roll. Measuring 1mm x 5mm, this roll features realistic-looking ivy leaves that are UV protected and fade resistant. It's perfect for adding a touch of greenery to your garden fence, hedge or wall, while also creating a barrier for privacy. Easy to install and maintain, this roll is made of high-quality materials that are built to last. Transform your outdoor space today with our artificial ivy leaf privacy fence screening roll. Electrical cleaning brush. Introducing the Sonic Scrubber Combo Pack, the ultimate household cleaning tool. With 2 interchangeable brush heads, this electrical cleaning brush tackles dirt and grime in even the toughest of places. The high-frequency sonic action makes cleaning a breeze, getting into all the nooks and crannies that other cleaning tools just can't reach. Perfect for cleaning kitchen surfaces, bathroom tiles, grout, and even car interiors, this handy gadget is a must-have for anyone who wants to get their cleaning done quickly and easily. Say goodbye to scrubbing by hand and hello to a spotless home with the Sonic Scrubber Combo Pack. Thanks for watching our video. We hope you found the products showcased in this video helpful and interesting. All product purchase links in the description and comment box. Which countries and cities are you watching from? Write down in the comment below.